Good day, everyone. It's Friday. Let's get ready for today's activities. So, we'll start with our English. Here we go. So, for today's English, all you have to do is write 2 sentences for each picture. Use the help words. Remember, a sentence starts with a capital letter and it always ends with a full stop or an exclamation mark. Okay, if it is a question, you'll add a question mark. So remember to use the words you see there. Once you're done, we move on to today's maths. Friday's maths. Write the letters and read the secret code. Okay, so the 6th one, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The 6th letter is F. So you'll write your over there. Okay, you'll write your F. Then, 3rd. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Your 3rd letter is curly K. So you'll write your curly K. Okay, that is what you have to do for the rest of the worksheet. Then read the instructions and do as instructed, or complete the worksheet as instructed. So, first instruction, make the first shell look like this, like a seashell. Okay, make the first seashell look like this, so it's black and white. So you'll draw wobbly patterns, wobbly patterns. Okay, mine comes out straight, yours should be wobbly. Color the fourth seashell red. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the fourth one will be red. And then you draw a blue triangle in the 6th seashell. Make the 9th and 12th seashells with stars. Color the 5th and 13th seashells yellow. Color the 10th and 15th seashells green. Okay, when you've completed that, you've got an ordinal numbers worksheet. Okay, so look at the direction the animals or objects are going so that you know where first is and where second is. Here, first must be red, okay? So, circle the first one red. Okay, so it's going that way. Okay, here's the first one, okay? The second one will be blue. Here's the second one. Okay. Now here, 3rd and 5th, okay? This is the first one. Okay? And here, the first one would be this one. Okay. 5th and 2nd, here you need to circle them as well. Okay. So the first one climbing the ladder is this man over there with the ostriches. So they're going that way. This is the first one. Then moving on to 3D shapes. Okay, read the instructions carefully. Put an X on the cubes. Find a cube and put an X in it. Okay, now how many cubes do you have? Then put a tick on the spheres and count how many you have. Then put a line through the cones and count how many you have and circle the cylinders and then write down how many you have and how many rectangular prisms. Count them and write them on the line. Then here you've got a cone year one, cut it and fold it for you to keep at home. Okay, so you can either do the cone or the rectangular prism. Then, moving on to science. For Friday Science, easy peasy worksheet, all you have to do is match the words to the picture. Means electricity. Okay? A cell, a wire, electric shock, circuit, bulb, working circuit, motor, buzzer, switch. Okay, and that is the end of today's activities, year ones.